So I just got a new card and it's so plain. Look at it. Like, brother, So I went looking online trying to find a good card cover. Terrible. What the So today we're going to be making some card cover stickers. So right now let me take this picture. We're going to be tracing this. This is going to be our outline. So we're going to go ahead and trace this. Perfect. Alright, let's finish off the rest. Alright, so now that we're done, let's remove the background. And this is our canvas. So, I know what I want. And I decided I want a hunter license. So, I found a picture online, but instead of just copy, paste, and done, I want to redraw it. Just so it's a little more my style. Just watch, you'll see. So right now, all I'm doing is getting the basic shapes in there. And so for my idea, I kind of want to go for like a 3D type of look. Not really 3D, I guess. More of a like a bubbly look to it. You'll see. I don't really know how to explain myself. Let me stop rambling and let's jump back in. Let's go ahead and color this in. Let's add a little bit of highlight and shadow to it. Perfect. Top half is ready. Now let's go ahead and work on the bottom. Alright, so the bottom half's pretty much ready. All that's left to do is just write some scribbles and we'll be completely done. Hey, perfect. We got a little guy holding his breath. And the rest of the scribbles, even threw my name in there. Alright, so we're all done with the design. This is the original. And this is my version of the hunter license. Not much different, just a little more bubbly. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like the original or my version? Let me know in the comments. Alright, so now that we got the design ready to go, I'm gonna scan the card. So let's pop this right in. I'm gonna go ahead and open the app and hit scan. Now we wait. Alright, so it's all scanned. Now let's go ahead and grab our pen tool. We're going to use that pen tool to mask the image. So once again, we're just going to trace this. Once we're all done, we're just going to hit mask and we should have something like this. Now all we got to do is drag in our image. And done. Let's move on to the next phase. Alright, so let's go ahead and turn on this printer. Let's load our image, get everything set. I'm going to be doing 5 of these. Let's hit print and watch it go. Alright, so now that the machine's done printing, it's just got to cut out the shape and it'll be ready to go. These look amazing. I cannot wait to throw these on my card. But before we do that, we're going to weave these out. We got to pop out the little area the chip's going to be at. And when we're done with that, we're just going to peel off the rest. Got to lay it down flat on some transfer paper. Let's grab our squeegee so we can take out the air bubbles. And finally, let's go ahead and chop these up. Done. Check them out. I think they look amazing. Alright, it's time. Let's go ahead and throw one of these on my card. Let's peel off that backing, and here we go. Check it out, guys. What do you guys think? Yeah. Anyways, if you guys want to check out more videos, check this one out. Right there. Click it. Now.